Welcome to a journey through the ethical mazes and the legal labyrinths of pricing. In this video, we'll navigate the complex world where strategy, ethics, and law converge in the critical decisions that shape a business's pricing policies. Let's embark on this intellectual expedition by considering the gravity of pricing decisions. They're not made in a vacuum, but within a spectrum where ethical considerations and legal implications hold as much weight as profitability does. Pricing management is considered by regulatory restrictions. These laws are the guardians of fair play, ensuring that the competitive spirit of the market is not suffocated by constant desire for profits and the misuse of the pricing power. But what are ethics? The moral compass that guides a business to not only ask, can we, but should we? Every price tag carries with it a narrative of ethical decision-making. It is a reflection of the company's integrity and its respect for both the consumer and the competition. Consider the act of price fixing, an illegal collaboration between businesses that agree on prices, dismissing the consumer's welfare and the market's natural equilibrium. It's a strategy that can inflate profit, but at the cost of fairness and legality. Horizontal price fixing, where competitors conspire, is a direct affront to the principle of competition. It's a practice that's illegal under the acts like the Sherman Antitrust Act. This is particularly in the United States, and for good reason it's illegal. It's a market manipulation that leaves consumers with no choice but to pay the higher price. Vertical price fixing, on the other hand, involves agreements up or down the supply chain. While the US Supreme Court has shown lenience here, the ethical implications remain a topic of heated debates. Now, let's delve into the realm of price discrimination. A chameleon in the pricing world, if you wish. It changes its colors depending on who is buying. Is it fair for students or seniors to pay less for the same service? The law may not always object, but society's scale of justice are even in flux. Quantity discounts, varied parking fees. These are the many facets of price discrimination. The Robinson-Patman Act may be the legal compass here, but it is a negotiation between buyer and seller that often charts the course. Ethics in pricing is a staircase we climb, from ensuring voluntary exchanges to not exploiting essential needs. Some scholars present us with a framework, a ladder of ethical considerations that challenge us to price with conscience. At the first rung, we find the principle of voluntariness. A price is ethical when it's paid willingly without coercion. Climb to the second rung, and full disclosure becomes the ethical mandate. No hidden defects, no obscured risks. The third rung takes us higher to the realm of essential needs. Here, the ethical constraints demands reasonable profits, especially on life's necessities. And at the fourth, we reach the pinnacle where even non-essentials are scrutinized for fairness in the profit-making process. But ethics is not a solitary player on this stage. The law, with its many different types of regulations and precedents, casts a long shadow over pricing decisions. From the antitrust laws of the United States to the articles of the European Union Treaty, legal frameworks are in place to defer and punish pricing malpractices. The Federal Trade Commission, the Department of Justice, and their global counterparts stand as sentinels guarding against the formation of price cartels and the injustices they breed. In this ever-evolving legal and ethical landscape, companies must tread carefully. The advice of specialized legal advisors is not just a luxury, but a necessity to navigate the treacherous waters of price strategies. As we conclude our exploration, remember that pricing is not just a number, it's a reflection of a business's ethos, a statement of its legal acumen, and a testament to its commitment to fair play. May the insights from today's lecture serve as your guide in understanding the profound impact and implications of ethical and legal considerations on pricing. Let them be the compass that steers your business decisions towards a horizon of integrity and responsibility. Thank you for joining this journey through the ethical and legal implications of pricing. Until next time, may your studies illuminate the path of wisdom and ethical enlightenment. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, click the like button or consider subscribing to the channel. There will be more educational videos coming soon, so it would be very nice to have you around. Until next time, peace out.